So over here you can see that I got some menu markers right here, some scene markers over here, and the stop marker right here. So in order to preview this, you need to go around and see the DVD menu itself. So to do that, I'm going to go around and add in DVD menu. So I'm just going to go around over here on the edit and then go around on the movie menu right here. I'm just going to go around and select out, let's say for example, a movie menu right here, which is the default movie menu as you can see right here. And then I'm going to go around and click on continue over here. So once I do that, what happens is that the movie menu is added in over here, and you can see the main menu right here, just like this. So you can see that play a movie is here, and there's beginning as an option. That is because I added in this beginning, as you can see right here, just like this. So that is the movie marker that I added in. Then you got the movie middle, as you can see right here. That is because I added in movie middle over here. So this is the marker, as you can see right here. So if I were to go around and preview the disc right here, if I were to play the movie, it plays from the beginning right here. Go to main menu right here, and if I were to click on beginning, it plays from there. If I were to go around over here onto let's say for example, this is the menu right here, as you can see right here. So you can go around and work around with it. So now if I were to go to scenes, then you got the beginning, middle, climax, and end credits, as you can see right here. So you can go around and select out the scene right here, and right from over here it simply ends up with the end credit right here. So this is what you have, as you can see right here, and then that is what you have. So let me just go around and then work around with this, so you can see that you can go around and then change this out, as you can see right here as well. And that's the movie middle right here. So let me just go around and then so you can see that this is overlapping menu right here and so forth. So main right here and everything is here. So as I go around, you can see that this is what you have right here. So let me just go around onto preview disc right here, just like this. Click on this, and over here you can see the movie middle right here, which plays out the end just like this. So that is how you can go around and see the set markers in menu inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.